How to find old chats in Character AI. Basically, the chat history. So over here we have a new account. We're not showing our real account because for some reasons, but you have a few options if you want to go ahead and look for different old chats. The first one, maybe you go ahead to the content settings and check your archive. Maybe you archive your older chats. If not, you can go directly over here to whatever chat you want history from. Press on that one, and let's say you want to go to the profile of this person. So either you press on the icon beside his chat, or you can go in the top right, which is basically the same thing. So if you go do the same thing happens. So if you just go ahead, head down here, there will be a history option. So just go ahead and press on history, and you will be able to see basically everything that has went through with this. But that is basically how you take a look at the chat history, or potentially help you find the old chats in Character AI. You can also go ahead and do it manually by scrolling up, but pretty much depends on you. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.